One common unity is what's been needed really in the city for so long. It's a community of people that really takes folks that have been exposed to violence and other terrible things sometimes that happen in people's lives and bring them outside the city.
They don't just try to apply one approach and one size fits all to every student.
You walk into One Common Unity or the Fly by Light program and you're embraced, you get to be yourself, and you get to be there over time.
They feel being out here, a certain aspect that they're not judged, and then they can open up and talk more about their feelings, talk more about who they are.
When I come to Fly by Light, it's so many different people who have the same, they're looking for the same energy I'm looking for. And like when I come here, it's refreshing to be around so many positive people.
To be able to sit there and kind of remove them from the center of the trauma and get them to open up. It requires a really deft hand. And for Hawah to be able to do that was really remarkable.
Literally, like what are shifts you can make this week, next week, the week after, to start moving your way into that space.
The way that Hawah has brought this work into this community is by bringing light and supporting young people to shine their light.
His commitment over the last 20 years is why OCU still exists in Washington, D.C. I see a lot of organizations come and go in this city, and OCU is not one of them because of Hawah.
You might not be able to break the cycle of poverty and homelessness around the whole country, but like we can start with like our home. Because it's my dream that Fly by Light is meant to do one thing. It's to help just make all of us as better people.
Hawah is peaceful, energetic, and fun.
He's a yogi. He's able to transcend, I think, the day-to-day din that we always are exposed to.
Too many people who run nonprofits are so set in one way of doing it that they're unwilling to adapt to continue to make change. And he's not like that at all. He's very creative and thoughtful about how he keeps the mission going.
Hawah's consistency and dedication to the program without fail, that's allowed it to flourish the way that it is.
At least me, like I got into this work because it's my calling. It's what makes me feel good. When I wake up in the morning and know that I do something that I'm passionate about, something that's helping make things a little better than they are, and just kind of stay persistent. It's a shared burden, you know, we all have this responsibility to come together, and we can do so much more when we work together. And that's kind of the growth of One Common Unity, and it's been just beautiful to watch.